News Live 10 at 10 continues with no wait weather.
And here's a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo. As we have a look at I-94 and University. We do have mainly cloudy skies and some on and off snow showers, but the snow should fill back in as we go through the next couple of hours, along with the wind picking up. Right now, it looks like we are seeing a good amount of pavement on I-94, but road conditions will deteriorate as we go through the overnight. So most of us in a winter storm warning right now, seen here in the red. This is through Monday at 6 a.m. because of the heavy snow and the wind that will be in our forecast area through Monday morning. From Devils Lake to Langdon, we do have a winter weather advisory in effect, and the only county in our viewing area not in anything is Towner County. Again, these alerts are until Monday at 6 a.m. Let's take a look at the current temperatures, and we've actually had some pretty mild air right now into the Southern Valley and Lakes Country into the lower 30s. 24 right now at Jamestown, 20 into the Grand Forks area, and 19 right now, cooler air into Devil's Lake. Now, the winds have been picking up. Right now, we're going to say winds around 15 to 25 miles per hour from a northerly or northeasterly direction, and they will continue to pick up going through the evening. So here's what we're looking at right now in terms of the snow. Into Lakes Country, just some light snow or cloudy skies. The heaviest and steadiest snow to the south and to the west of the Fargo area, approaching Jamestown, approaching the South Dakota border. Devil's Lake points off to the north. We do have less snowfall right now, and moderate to heavy snow to northwestern Minnesota and the northern valley. Still a little bit of a dry slot again into Lakes Country, and making our way further north, we are going to see lesser amounts, especially from Devil's Lake toward the Canadian border. Low pressure system moving from the Sioux Falls area to just over Minneapolis. It will strengthen, meaning it will pull in more moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and we will have more cold air from the Arctic. And as the system strengthens, the band of snow over us will also intensify and the wind will pick up. So the worst of this storm has not happened yet. We still have about 36 more hours to go. So here's what it looks like on the hour-by-hour forecast. Going through the overnight, we do have temperatures again staying pretty mild for this time of year, most of us into the mid to upper 20s. Now you can see the yellow arrows on this map. Those are wind speeds over 30 miles per hour. We're expecting by daybreak tomorrow winds of 30 to 45 miles per hour, as we do have heavy snow to really heavy snow in the purple here, and this is heavy wet snow with temperatures so warm. Now that will continue through the afternoon on Sunday, through the evening on Sunday, and it will get lighter, but the snow will last through the overnight and possibly through the morning into the early afternoon on Monday before it starts to taper off, and cooler air works in behind it, but not frigid though. We're going to be back into the mid to upper teens by Monday afternoon as we really start to dry out and dig out. Now, the snowfall potential from this one, still thinking 12 to 18 inches from, say, the Fargo area up toward Grand Forks and out toward Jamestown. From Valley City to Sisseton, still expecting some areas possibly over 18 inches. And the National Weather Service just said they're watching this area for a possible blizzard tomorrow, depending on if visibilities get low. Now, as we make our way into northwestern Minnesota, 8 to 12 inches. We've had some mixing with rain, so Fergus Falls points off to the south. We're going to put in the 4 to 8 inch range, and from Devil's Lake points off to the north, we're going to have less than 4 inches. Again, this is through Monday evening, total snowfall. So lots of snow tomorrow. Temperatures getting into the upper 20s, but that wind is going to be strong, sustained around 30, maybe some gusts to 45 miles per hour. Snow is finally out of here by Monday afternoon. Tuesday looks dry, a high of 20. Then Wednesday, another chance of some snow showers, a high of 27, and 25 on Thursday. Not that bad in terms of temperatures next week. Usually we have frigid air after these storms. We're going to stay into the 20s. That's going to help the snow on the road start to melt. And for Friday and Saturday of next week, mid to upper 20s again, and another chance of some light snow showers.
Something you said that I think is really important to take note of is we still have 36 hours of this to go, so we really need to be careful out there.
We're about 15 hours in, and if it lasts until Monday at noon, 36 more hours to go.
Definitely need to be careful then. All right, thanks, Justin. Still to come tonight, tragedy in Louisiana.